task, we'll be setting up the equipment for our induction. I'm going to start with our trach tubes. Our procedure today is going to be on a canine mass removal, about 31 kilograms. So I have two different size trach tubes. I have an 8 and 8.5. I'm going to check them for leaks by inflating the cuffs. Just want to inflate the cuffs, make sure they maintain and there's no leaking. Don't hear any leaking. And I'm going to deflate the cuff. Do the same thing on the other one, make sure there's no leaks on this one. So we have a variety of tubes to use. Again, no leaking noticed. I have a bit of IV line that we're going to use to secure the trach tube. It is long enough to go around the tube as well as the patient, either tying around the muzzle or tying around the back of the head. Next, I've set up for our IV catheter. I have our IV catheter and cap with our heparinized saline. It's a 1:100 ratio. Tape to secure our catheter, our scrub solution and alcohol solution for clipping or for cleaning, and then our clippers with a 40 blade to clip. Surgical or to prep our catheter, without taking it out, I'm going to open the end here, pull off the cap, and flush. You can actually see the fluid coming out. So our syringe, our IV catheter is prepped to be used. And then once I've got this set up, I have our anesthesia machine set up. I've got eye lube. We've got our mask for induction. It is a for pre-oxygenation, actually. It's a 31 kilogram dog, so I have calculated our flow rate of oxygen, which will be around 1.5 liters. And I've also set up our IV fluids here. We've got our lactated ringer solution and our IV pump for when we're inducing. I have a stethoscope for monitoring, and we are locating the emergency crash cart, so any emergency drugs needed are located here in the induction area as well. So now that our site is prepped and everything is ready, we can go ahead and continue on with our procedure.